Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to shut down iPhone X without using power and volume buttons. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the General, then Top. Then after that, in the General, scroll down again until the end. Then as you will see, you can now actually see here the shutdown. Then all you have to do is just stop. And an option will appear. Then all you have to do is just slide to power off. Just like this. And it is now power off. And that's it. We have successfully shut down iPhone X without using power and volume buttons. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.